हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। मेरा नाम है चैतन्य एंड आज हम बात करने वाले हैं जॉब्स के बारे में जो कि मैकेनिकल जॉब्स के लिए। ओके, सो डायरेक्टली चलते हैं कंपनी की तरफ। सो देखते हैं सबसे पहले कंपनी कौन सी है। ओके, सो सबसे पहले कंपनी रिलैक्सो कंपनी है गाइस। ये जो फुटवेयर बनाती है वो वाली कंपनी है। ओके, सो यहाँ पे जस्ट आपके लिए जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी आई है, डेट इज फॉर द ग्रेजुएट इंजीनियर ट्रेनिंग। ओके, सो दिस फॉर द मैकेनिकल जॉब और ये जॉब फ्रेशर के लिए सबसे पहली मेन बात तो यही है। ओके, सो पोजीशन रहेगा गाइस आपके लिए ग्रेजुएट इंजीनियर ट्रेनिंग। ओके, वेयर द डिपार्टमेंट इज अ प्रोडक्शन एंड अ वर्क लोकेशन इज अ हेड ऑफिस। ओके, so where the department is the production and our work location is within the head office. Okay, great honor confirmation will be officer. Okay, after 1 year of training and travel required 10%. Oh, okay, means you should need to be required for a travel. Okay, then reporting to administrative or a functional, that is a manager production, or a functional is nothing but a manager production. Okay, again it, and reported by a supervisor production. Okay, so minimum job requirement है। Okay, educational qualification should be B or a BTech in a mechanical or a production or electrical or a chemical engineer. Okay, with a first division throughout the academic career. Okay, so purpose of the job of the position should be, or a job summary should be, the candidate should flair and interest of working in a core manufacturing company, should be well versed in a theory and conceptual clarity of a production planning, and should be able to handle manpower and must possess influencing capabilities. Okay, so this is the purpose of the position. And now the key roles and responsibilities is financial inventory control to maintain minimum inventory level of WIP. Okay, then customer oriented documentation and reporting to submit all the required production reports to factory managers and HO on a monthly or a weekly or a daily basis. Okay, then a people oriented is nothing but a manpower handling. Then the last one is nothing but a ability, influence or a motivate. Okay, key stakeholder management. In that there is a two part, that is the internal or external. In the internal, there should be manager production, and the next one is a lab and FG QC team. Okay, in the external, the vendors, suppliers or the external consultants. Okay, अगर आपको इस कंपनी में अप्लाई करना रहा तो फिर आप यहाँ से अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, आप डायरेक्टली यहाँ से अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो दिस इज द जॉब फॉर द फ्रेशर गाइस, so go ahead and please apply for the company. Okay, so this is it. Now let's see then another company which is from the Volvo. Okay, so the another thing is guys, मैं आपके लिए जस्ट इस लिंक को डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगा। ओके, आप वहाँ से डायरेक्टली इस पेज पे जा सकते हैं, दोनों कंपनी में जा सकते हैं पेज पे एंड डायरेक्टली वहाँ से अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट जॉब गाइस, विच इज द जॉब इज नथिंग बट एसोसिएट इंजीनियर और अ कूलिंग सिस्टम इन द कंपोनेंट्स। ओके, within that associate engineers. Okay, so similarly Volvo company say guys. Okay, so guys, let's see about the job description about this Volvo company. As an associate engineer, you will have an opportunity to work in a project ranging from advanced engineer to start course level of project. Okay, then after there are some points. Responsible to design and develop components related to cooling module, fan, and it is a installation components for product is responsible from GTT BLR side. Okay, then the next point is to support engineer, task leader and or a component owner for some of cooling component like cooling package, e-viscous fan or expansion tank, recirculation shield, buck net, ECU cooling and cooling components. Okay, then after that you will have your own fields of responsibilities while working with a cross-functional team and peers in other teams. You will also have to interface with other stakeholders such as manufacturing, purchasing and aftermarket. Okay, then a responsibility of QDFC, quality delivery, cost and feature in product we deliver. Okay, then a complex CAT model creation with the packaging verification and to set up design prerequisites. Okay, then to create engineering specification, issue technical regulation document in a COLA and create product structure, technical description and release DCNs. Okay, then after that define a level 4 component or system time plan including the most important cross functional milestone, using APQP as the supporting process. Then after that, creation of a Q tools like a DFMEA, risk register, DFA manufacturing, and DFAM aftermarket. Okay. Then since we work in a very global setup and with a cross functional teams, there are good opportunity for personal development within the position. Okay. So your role will strengthen our global thermal management substream and contribute to Volvo GTD vision within the technology area. Your role is a cross-functional, which means you will work in a project within the Volvo GTD organization and closely collaborate with the global cross-functional teams. Okay, so this is the big company, guys. Okay, and after that there are some qualification and skills. Let's see. BE or ME in a mechanical engineer with a more than 2 years of experience. Okay, means आपको यहाँ पे 2 years of experience होना जरूरी है. Okay, then good knowledge of the product development life cycle and change management activities for product maintenance. Then hands of experience of a CREO tools to design components. After that, strong knowledge in fluid mechanics and thermodynamics. After that, structure way of working. Okay, then you are a team player, self-driven with a positive global and problem-solving mindset, and you are possess excellent communication skill. Okay, knowledge in mechatronics is an added advantage. Okay, then knowledge in a Volvo GTD development process and tools is a plus. Okay, then after that, working knowledge of overall truck thermal management and especially cooling system is a plus. Okay, new idea generation skills and innovative thinking. After that, ability to work in a multicultural global environment. Okay, then willingness to learn and develop your own skills and ability, good in a compiling and presenting information verbal and in writing. Okay, so this is all about it, the Volvo. Okay, सो अगर आपको इस कंपनी में अप्लाई करना है तो फिर आप यहाँ से अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट द लोकेशन विद इन बैंगलोर इन इंडिया. ओके, सो आफ्टर दैट ग्रुप ट्रक्स टेक्नोलॉजी गाइस, रेगुलर जॉब है ऑफ कोर्स एंड पोस्टेड ऑन 15 December 2021, expires on 8 September. Of course this is the wrong date. Okay, so right now this is having some apply link, so you can apply here. Okay, and you had occasional travel. Okay, after all the interview process should be or onboarding process should be, अगर आपने सबसे पहले यहाँ पे मेल किया होगा तो फिर आपके इंटरव्यू होगा ऑफ कोर्स, उसके बाद में सिलेक्शन होगा एंड इन द लास्ट ऑनबोर्डिंग होगा. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट इट. अगर आपको अप्लाई करना है तो फिर जल्दी से जल्दी यहाँ पे अप्लाई लिंक दे रखिए, आप जल्दी से जल्दी यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर दीजिए. ओके, एंड जल्दी से इस कंपनी में जाने का मौका पाइए. सो बहुत बड़ी कंपनी गाइस, जल्दी जल्दी अप्लाई करें. सो दिस इज इट गाइस, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी के साथ. ओके, सो तब तक के लिए बाय गाइस.